everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about the chemistry lab equipment and materials. Next week I will start my first chemistry experiment. Stay tuned to my channel. Now let us see the lab equipment. Safety goggles. Always wear the safety goggles when you are doing any experiment. Breakers with lids. This is the breaker and this is the lid. Test tube with stopper. This is the test tube and this is the stopper. Bottle brush. Stirrer. Pipette. Tube safety key, funnel, test tube rack, spatula, filter paper, tweezers, chemical substance. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to